Hello to everybody at home. We are going to do a math lesson today on counting, and it's going to be called What's Missing. I'm going to need your help to help me figure out what number is missing. First of all, we know that numbers go in a certain order when we count. Let's count and say our numbers in order. We have a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know when we're counting objects, that's the order. Now, I'm going to set out 2 numbers, and I want you to tell me the number that would be missing in the middle if we were counting. Look at these 2 numbers. Which number would be missing right here if we were counting? 2, 4. What's missing? Very good. Number 3 is missing. Let's count and make sure. 2, 3, 4. We always want to go back and count to make sure we are correct. I'm going to put out some more numbers. What number's missing? What number would go here if I were counting? 6. 8. You're right. 7 is missing. 6, 7, 8. That's the correct counting order. Okay, I'm going to show you 2 more numbers. What number's missing? What number would go right here if I were counting? Very good. 3, 4, 5. Awesome job, guys. Number 4 is missing. Let's put it here and make sure we're right. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, let's practice next number. I'm going to put a number down, and I want you to tell me what would the next number be if I were counting. Here's number 8. What would the next number be? Very good. Way to think of it in your head. Number 9 would be next. 8, 9. What's the next number? Very good. Number 10. 8, 9, 10. Very good. I'm going to put those numbers up, and I'm going to get some more numbers out. What would the next number be? Here's number 4. What's the next number when I count? Very good. 4, 5. Give your brain a kiss if you're at home. I'm going to make it a little more challenging. What's the next number if we're counting? 4, 5, 6. 6 would be the next number in the sequence. Do you see how we're making a sequence with our numbers? 4, 5, 6. Here is what number 6 looks like. Okay, I'm going to make it even more challenging. What would the next number in our sequence be? 4, 5, 6. You're right. Number 7 is our next number in our sequence. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's a critical thinking question. You know, when we're at school, if we have a critical thinking question, we tap our brain. Go ahead and tap your brain. What would the next 2 numbers in our sequence be? So now I'm looking for my next 2 numbers that would go right here. Let's think. 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right. 8 and 9. Very good. Kiss your brain. Let's say the numbers in our sequence again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I'm going to make it even more challenging. I'm going to take a number away and see if you can guess the number in our sequence that's missing. Okay, I'm gonna hide the numbers for just a second. Now take a look at our numbers. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna hide it for just a minute. I'm going to take one number away, and I'm gonna see if you can recognize which number is missing. Which number is missing? Very good. Number 5 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I would need to put a 5 right there to complete the sequence. Very good. Let's do it again. I'm going to take another number away. Okay, ready? Look at our sequence. What number is missing from here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Number 7 is missing. And there it is. Very good. Now, let's play a game where we're trying to guess the number that comes right before. Now, this is pretty challenging. We focus on next number, what would come next. Now we're going to think about what we're missing before, right here in the sequence. What number are we missing right here in our number sequence? If we are counting, what number would come right here before the number 4? What would we say? Awesome job. You're right. Number 3. Say the sequence with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Now, let's say all of our numbers together again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? 5. What's next? What comes next? 6. What comes next in our sequence? 7. What's next in our sequence? 8. What's next? 9 and 10. Awesome job today, guys. Let's count one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job at home.